I took part in the medical program for the last 9 weeks. The experience has been overwhelmingly positive. I've had a really great time here at the center, volunteering with local NGOs, supporting some of the hospitals, taking tours of the Polytechnic University here. It's been an overwhelmingly positive experience, so I've been very grateful to have been given the privilege to spend time here.
Came to the Excellence Centre to do voluntary work, predominantly working with the children in the refugee camps and also in the orphanages.
I was in the refugee program and I really loved it. We were there for several times and we taught English to the children. And yeah, I loved the whole time I spent here with the community. I looked very much forward to come here and try Arabic in real life. And I took more than usual. I took 12 Arabic lessons in 10 days.
My experience here with the children has been absolutely amazing. The children were great, the staff were great, and the people that were already here doing exactly the same as me was absolutely fantastic. It has been an opportunity of a lifetime. It is one of the best experiences of my life.
I think you should not bother about safety. I felt totally safe the whole time, because the people here, they know where to go and where not to go, and they tell you how to behave to be safe. So it was totally fine for me. I also walked alone through the city and no problems.
So the message I could share for anybody hoping to come to Palestine or to learn about Palestine is to recognize that they are the most kind and heartwarming people you will ever meet. Their generosity is unparalleled, and I've felt completely safe every day that I've been here.